Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the notes of class 6 social science history chapter 8 important dynasties of North India. If you want the notes of other lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Number 1. The ambassador sent by Seleucus to the court of Chandragupta Maurya was dash Megasthenes. Number 2. The king who treated his subjects like his own children was Ashoka. Number 3. Ashoka's inscriptions are mainly found in dash script, Brahmi script. Number 4. Ashoka declared a war on Kalinga after dash years of his ruling, 8 years of his ruling. Number 5. Our national emblem is four-headed lion of Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. Number 6. Kanisha started dash year in memory of beginning of his rule. Shalivahana Shaka. Next, second main, answer the following in one sentence. Question number 1. Who is the founder of Maurya dynasty? Answer Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 2. Name the capital of Mauryas. Answer Pataliputra. Question number 3. Name the famous book written by Kautilya. Answer Arthashastra. Question number 4. Name the famous book written by Megasthenes. Answer Indika. Question number 5. Which king considered his subjects as his own children? Answer Ashoka. Question number 6. What were the functions of Dharma Mahamatras? Answer Dharma Mahamatras helped the king in administration and preached good conduct to the people. Question number 7. Where did Kanisha conduct the International Buddhist Conference? Answer Kashmir. Question number 8. Which is the famous book written by Ashwaghosha? Answer Buddha Charita. Next main, discuss in groups and answer the following question. Question number 1. Write about importance of Kalinga War. Answer. The Kalinga War is an important stage in the life of Ashoka the Great. Ashoka declared war on Kalinga during the 8th year of his rule. About 1 lakh people lost their lives and another lakh were injured. Another 1.5 lakh soldiers were held as prisoner of wars. Ashoka was deeply disturbed by the immense destruction of human life in the war. He resolved to not wage wars in the future. We chose the path of dharma in place of war. He accepted Buddhism and spread the message of Buddhism all over his empire and also many other countries. He encouraged his subjects to respect their parents, elders, and to have compassion, truthfulness, and to be generous. He also appointed Dharma Mahamantras to preach good conduct to his subjects. They were also responsible for the welfare of orphans, widows, and old people. Next main, match the words in the column A to the column B. Left side and right side columns are there and here are the answers for that. Next, Guptas. First main, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Number 1, the capital of Guptas was Pataliputra. Number 2, Allahabad pillar inscription was created by Harisena. Number 3, the Gupta king who won Kaviraja title is Samudragupta. Number 4, the book Mudra Rakshasa written by Vishakadatta. Number 5, the great poet who had the little Kavi Guru Tilaka Kalidasa. Next, second main, answer the following questions. Question number 1, which emperor's details are available on Allahabad inscription? Answer, the details of Samudragupta who was a brave warrior king. Question number 2, which Gupta emperor had the title Vikramaditya? Answer, Chandragupta II. Question number 3, name the Chinese pilgrim who visited India during the Gupta rule. Answer, Fahin. Question number 4, name a play written by Kalidasa. Answer, Abhignana Shakuntala. Who wrote Mrichakatika? Answer, Shudraka. Name the dictionary composed by Amarasimha. Answer, Amara Ashoka. Question number 7, where is Dhamek Stupa located? Answer, Sarnath. Question number 8, who was the famous mathematician of the Gupta period? Answer, Aryabhatta and Brahmaputra. Question number 9, who wrote Asthanga Hridaya Samhita? Answer, Vabhata. Next, Harshavardhana. First main, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Number 1, Harshavardhana was close to dash Chinese traveler Hugh San. Number 2, the record of Hugh San's experience is known as C.U. Key. Nalanda University was in the present state of Bihar. Dash was the Kannada king who defeated Harshavardhana on the bank of river Narmada. Pulikeshi II. Next, second main, answer the following questions. Number 1, name the brother and sisters of Harshavardhana. Answer, Rajyavardhana Varma and Rajyashri. Question number 2, which was the capital city of Harshavardhana? Answer, Kannauj. Question number 3, who wrote the book Harsha Charita? Answer, Banna Bhatta. Question number 4, name the place written by Harshavardhana. Answer, Priyadarshiki, Ratnavali and Nagananda. Question number 5, who was the Chinese traveler who visited the court of Harshavardhana? Answer, Hugh Sang. Question number 6, which was the most famous Indian university during ancient times and where it was? Answer, Nalanda University. Here are the additional question and answers. First main, answer the following question. Which is the first dynasty of India? Answer, Mauryan dynasty. Question number 2, who guided Chandragupta Maurya to establish an empire? Answer, Vishnugupta or Kautilya or Chanakya trained Chandragupta in the skills of warfare and helped him to establish an army. He later became the prime minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 3, what is Sallekhana? Answer, it is ritual practiced among Jains. It means to fast till death. Question number 4, which place in Karnataka has an inscription of Ashoka? Answer, Maski in Raichur. Question number 5, who was the chief of village administration during Mauryan period? Answer, Gramika. Question number 6, who was the important ruler of Kaushana dynasty? Answer, Kanisha. Question number 7, which form of calendar is the official calendar of Government of India? Answer, the calendar started by Kanisha, Shalivaha Shaka. Question number 8, which was the tallest stupa in India and who built it? Answer, the stupa at Purushapura, Peshwar is the tallest stupa. It has 13 stories and was 400 meters tall. Question number 9, which dynasty introduced gold coins for the first time in India? Answer, the Kusana dynasty under Kanishka. Question number 10, which great philosopher was a member of Kanishka's court? Answer, Nagarjuna. Question number 11, what details of the Gupta dynasty can be obtained from the Allahabad pillar of Gupta period? Answer, the inscription on the Allahabad pillar was written by Harisena, a poet in the court of Samudragupta. It tells us that Samudragupta of the Gupta dynasty defeated 9 kings North India. Question number 12, which Buddhist scholar was a minister in Samudragupta court? Answer, Vasubandha. Question number 13, how did Chandragupta II earn the title Vikramaditya? Answer, Chandragupta II defeated the Satrapas of Gujarat who were ruling it for more than 3 centuries and earned the title Vikramaditya. Question number 14, who is the author of Panchatantra? Answer, Vishnu Sharma. Question number 14, who described the achievement in the field of medicine during the rule of Guptas? Answer, Vagbhata of the Gupta times prepared the summary of the famous work Charaka Samhita known as Asthangridya Samhita. This is an authoritative work on Ayurveda and is being followed even today. Surgery was also practiced in ancient times. Surgeons of those days who had the knowledge of 127 surgical instruments, they were able to remove iron and stone pieces from the human body. The credit for using mercury as a medicine for the first time goes to doctors of India. Question number 16, which Chinese traveler studied at Nalanda University? Answer, Huan Sang. What does Siyuki mean? Siyuki means record of the Western Kingdom. Write a short note on Nalanda University. Answer, Nalanda University, which was in present Bihar, was a popular university for 6 centuries since Gupta period. It was the most famous university of ancient times. Students were coming from places like China, Japan to study here. It had 8 schools and 3 big libraries. Though Buddhism was the major subject of study, subjects like yoga, Veda, medicine and other were also taught. Hugh Sang spent many years in this university. In Nalanda, there were no fees for education, boarding and lodging. To bear the running expenses of university, revenue from 100 villages was pledged. Harshavardhana was one of the chief patrons of this university. Students' life was disciplined and great scholars were among the faculty. Second main, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, the wheel at the center of our national flag is the Ashoka Chakra. Dash of Greece was defeated by Chandragupta Maurya, Seleucus. Sallekhana means fasting till death. Dash declared, my citizens are like my children, Ashoka. The Britisher officers dash read the Ashokan inscription for the first time. James Prince. Dash preached good conduct to people during the reign of Ashoka. Dharma Mahamatras. The fourth Buddhist conference was organized in Dash in Kashmir, Kanishka. The Dash were the first to mint gold coins in India, Kusanas. Goku key was written by Fahian. The Dash pillar at Mehrwali is the example of progress in Dash during Gupta period, iron. So this is all about your last lesson of the history. Part 1 civics and geography notes are also available in the playlist of my channel. For part 2 notes, for further lesson notes, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.